Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to use a keyboard unit converter on Vivo Y27. You can easily convert units using your keyboard on Vivo Y27. To do that, open an app that you can type in, for example, messages or notes. I'm gonna open notes. So let's find the notes app. It's here. Agree. And now I'm gonna create a new note. And when I type in a value with a unit, for example 12 centimeters, I can double tap on it and click on convert. Then it will get me to Google and quickly convert to meters. I can also click here to change the unit I want to convert to, for example inches. Then it says here how many inches do 12 centimeters have. I can also do the same with liquids, with temperature and more. And I can also double click on it to copy it. Then I can go back to Notes app or any other app, and I can double tap to paste. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.